Good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Today we are going to discuss about the graphical representation of given system of linear inequality. Okay. Let's see exercise 6.3 question number 11. See the inequalities. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. X plus y is less than or equal to 3. 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 6. Okay. Listen, these three inequalities are linear inequality in two variables. So we need to find the points. So draw the table and consider these inequalities as equality. So first one becomes 2x plus y equal to 4. Second one is x plus y is equal to 3. And third one is 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now find the points. So when x equal to 0, see here y becomes 4. When y equal to 0, x becomes 4 by 2, that is 2. Okay. Now for the second one, when x equal to 0, y equal to 3, and when y equal to 0, x becomes 3. Now third one, when x equal to 0, look at here, when x equal to 0, minus 3y is equal to 6. Therefore y equal to 6 by minus 3. It is minus 2. Okay. So when x equal to 0, y becomes minus 2. Now when y equal to 0, 2x equal to 6 and x equal to 6 by 2. It is 3. So here we have a negative value. Now see the graph of these three equations. We get three straight lines. Okay. See the graphical representation of the given system of linear inequality. See the first line, 2x minus y is equal to 0. Here the coordinates are points are 2, 0 and 0, 4. Okay. And see second line, 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Here the points are 3, 0 and 0, minus 2. So look at here, this is the point 0, minus 2. So join these 2 points, we get the equation or straight line of 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now x plus y equal to 3. Coordinate points are 3, 0 and 0, 3. So we have three straight lines, and from here see what is the common region for these three lines. Okay, it is a common region for these three lines. So this is the common region for these three lines, isn't it? Yes. So this shaded region is the required solution region of the given system of linear inequality. Okay. Another question, question number 5. 2x minus y is strictly less than 1. X minus 2y is strictly less than minus 1. See here the inequality is strict inequalities. Okay. So if you are doing the graph, you can draw the line by dotted lines. Okay. Dotted lines. So let's see what are the coordinate points of these linear inequalities. So first one, 2x minus y equal to 1. So find the points x, y. When x equal to 0, listen, minus y equal to 1. Therefore y equal to minus 1. When y equal to 0, you can find the value. When x equal to 0, 2 into 0 minus y equal to 1. 2 into 0, 0. Minus y equal to 1. So minus y is equal to 1 or y equal to minus 1. Okay. If we put y equal to 0 in the equation, 2x minus y equal to 1. Let's see. 2x minus 0 is equal to 1. 2x minus 0 is 2x. 2x equal to 1 or x equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. Okay. Now the next equation is x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Now see the points. When x equal to 0, put x equal to 0 in this equation. So 0 minus 2y is equal to minus 1. So minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Cancel this negative sign. So y equal to or 2y is equal to 1 or y equal to 1 by 2. It's again 0.5. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 0.5. Now what about y equal to 0? So in the equation put y equal to 0. So x minus 2 into 0 equal to minus 1. 2 into 0 is 0. X minus 0 is equal to minus 1 or x equal to minus 1. See, while doing these values, assigning these values for x and y, you should keep in mind that the sign, okay, sign will change, plus 2 minus sign, minus 2 plus sign, if it is terms. Here, look at here, suppose it is plus 1, 2y is equal to 1. If we take this minus 2 to other side, the negative sign remains constant. There is no change because it is product and division. At the same time, if you take, listen, in this case, minus 2 to other side, here this minus 2 changes to plus 2 because it is plus. So if it is plus or minus in between two terms, then sign will change. If it is product or division, never change. Okay, sign will never be changed. Okay, so that you have to note it. So these are our points. Now using these points, we will see how to draw the graph of this given linear inequalities. See the graph of the given linear inequalities. See, these are the two lines, and see this dotted line represents the given system of linear inequality is a strict inequality. Okay, it is strictly greater than and strictly less than. So we use these lines as dotted lines. Okay. Now we need to find the solution region. So in between these two lines there is no common region. There is no closed region. Okay. So let us consider these lines separately and determine what is the or where is the solution region. For this, first consider this line 2x minus y is equal to 1. So this line divides the plane into two half planes, upper half plane and lower half plane. So select a point from upper half plane and from a lower half plane. Okay. Let's see the point. Suppose 1, 2. 1, 2 belongs to upper half plane. This is upper half plane point. And put these values in this inequality. 2x minus y is greater than 1. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Put the value. So 2 into 1 minus 2 is greater than 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is greater than 1. 0 is greater than 1. Is it correct? No. 0 is less than 1. So we can't select the points from this upper half plane. So the solution region means solutions of this line is lower half plane. Okay. Now look at this line x minus 2y is less than negative 1. Similarly, this line divides the xy plane into two half planes, upper half plane and lower half plane. So select a point from this, suppose lower half plane. Let us take a point 2, 2, 0. Okay, this is the point. So 2, 0. Put these values here So this becomes 2 minus 2 into 0. 2 minus 2 into 0 is 2. 2 is less than minus 1. Is it correct? No. Okay, 2 is greater than minus 1. So all the solutions belongs to upper half plane. So above the line. Okay, can be consider lower portion. So listen, for this line all the solutions are below the line. Okay, and for this line all the points are above the line. So these two lines intersects only at these regions, isn't it? Okay, in this region only you can see. So listen, the solutions are belongs to this region. This is the common region. Okay.